Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will be discussing about how to sign up on Telegram account. Without any further ado, we're getting right into our video. The first thing we're going to do is open our Telegram app. After opening your Telegram app, you'll be welcomed with a page. Here you'll be able to see option start messaging. Tap on start messaging. Here you'll be said please allow Telegram to receive calls so that we can automatically confirm your phone number. Here press on continue. After that, here again you'll be asked to allow Telegram to make phone calls and manage phone calls. Tap on allow. After that, on the first option you'll be able to see country. Here select your country. After selecting your country, here you'll have to type your phone number. After you have typed your phone number, here on the right hand side corner you'll be able to see an arrow. Tap on that arrow. Here you'll be asked to confirm your number. Recheck your number and make sure you have typed your correct number. And after that, tap on yes. Here you'll be said please allow Telegram to read the call log so that we can automatically enter your code for you. Press on continue. After that, once again, here you'll be said allow Telegram to access your phone call logs. Tap on allow. After that, you'll have to wait for some time. Here you'll be able to get a code from Telegram on the number that you type, and with that you'll have successfully signed up. That was an easy step-by-step tutorial on how to sign up on Telegram. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. Have a good day.